Hi guys! So today I wanted to make a little video about my latest project, my little vintage camera business. I've always liked taking what a wrap. So yeah, let me walk you through my workspace. My garage. It's actually not even my garage. But as you can see behind me, there's a lot of boxes. I try to recycle a lot of packaging because at first I had no money to buy packaging. I didn't think anyone would actually buy anything. Here is this is like a MTV Cribs video. This is where I keep all the cameras. I have like a lot of film. I'll turn the camera around. It's taller than me, honestly, but like it's not too tall, so it's not hard to grab stuff. I can show you what I have. So these are my cameras that I need to bring to my house. A lot of Polaroids, Instax. Just, I live in a tiny space, so I didn't want to like bring things into my space unless they were well organized. So yeah, Polaroids, very old Polaroids, Digicams, like accessories, Instax. I have like some cameras from the, oh fuck, I just ripped it. Oh wait, it was already ripped, okay. Did I really just do that? Okay, it's just, it was already bad. All good. Weird Polaroids with like obscure film you can't buy anymore. This like funky Kodak camera called the handle. It literally just has a giant handle. Those are more decorative, but I have this cool guy, which I love. I have a freaking giant, like, I'll take it out. I don't want to drop it. Okay, this is like a Sony Handycam before they became really handy. I'll show you in the mirror just how big it is. This is like for a sports broadcaster. I think this uses like cassette tape. So this is for like the real film people. Pretty cool camera. I need to list it, sell it. The only thing that scares me is like the shipping cost. These are something I'm interested in trying. They're basically like little DVDs, video rewritable. So that's crazy. This is only 1.4 gigabytes. That's nothing. But these are like for the real OG 2000s camcorder. The batteries for Polaroids, like these fellas, this guy, and if you put these in, you're able to see if the camera works or not. It used to be more organized, but I've kind of just accumulated a lot of cameras. This section's a little more calm. It's mostly like empty boxes, packaging material because I'm a sustainable queen. Thank you, Jeff Bezos, for the boxes. Tape is really ugly. I don't feel like I like sending boxes that have old tape on them, but I don't really think the customer cares as long as there's like bubble wrap and the cameras is good. These are like some box cameras from the 20s. These I need to list. Some part of me wants to keep them. I feel like that's the most painful thing, is that I want to keep every single camera I buy, and that's not a business, that's hoarding. Here I have like a fun vintage, what is it? It's like a camera. No, it's not like a camera. It's like of course it's a camera. It's a video camera. It's from like the 70s. This is weird. This is like a Kodak disc. I don't know what a disc camera is. I've never seen a disc of this size. So if you're old, like, let me know. The second one is bubble wrap. I don't want a destroyed camera, and no one wants a destroyed camera. Personally, I would cry. It normally looks better because I'm not reusing a prime box, and I have a little peace of mind because the next order is going to go to Fallbrook, which is California, and I feel like there's a smaller probability that my box is going to get destroyed if it's only going like an hour away. Whenever I go there, there's this one woman I'm really scared of. She threw my package, and I'm like, can you not throw my package? And she's like, yeah. And she threw another package. So whenever I go there, I like let the other customers pass me because I don't want to deal with her. It's always really awkward when I get her because I feel like she knows I don't like her, and I know she hates me and never wants me to ship a package again. But the other guys who work there are really nice, so I'm always kind of like praying that I get them instead of her. Also, this guy's part of the vlog. My workout of the week. This is the only time ever I actually feel successful in my life. It's like a real business, you know? It's not a fake business. Okay, so this one was used in a lot of listings. It's now dead. Rest in peace. There's this guy. So you take the cameras like this, boom. Also have a backup bush. This one's blooming well. I haven't really done many pictures in front of it. I mostly use the other bush. But yeah, there's like enough flowers. So I kind of just, like, this is beautiful, but it's on the ground. I don't really want a picture with the ground. I mean, maybe nobody cares. Maybe I care. I'm gonna make the listings cute because I just feel like it's more eye-catching. So just to check out the box of Digis really fast, it's only like 4 cameras. I'll make a separate video kind of showing the testing process. But this is a really cute, the cute brown Kodak I showed you earlier. I have another Kodak Digicam. Digicams are like a big thing right now, and I can understand why, because you don't need to develop them, you don't need to pay a lot to get it scanned. I started scanning film myself just to save money, but it's like, it's a real process and you have to invest in a scanner. No, the good sun went away. I have a Nikon Coolpix Digicam. I don't feel like, this one's probably the oldest. And then the others are probably like 2010s. And then I really love selling these, and it has a case, which is a good sign that it'll work. It's a Sony CyberShot. So yeah, none of these I don't really know if they're gonna turn on. I really hope. It's always a mystery to me. And I'm still learning as I go. I'm not quite the camera expert, but I'm passionate about it. I'm still learning. I guess that's the whole point of the business.